China's push toward high-end manufacturing and new technologies, especially in the green sector, will benefit its trading partners. The remarks were made Monday by Li Henggu, Executive Director of the Socio-Economic Research Center of the Associated Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry of Malaysia. He said China's emphasis on fair and open international trade bodes well for the country while keeping the momentum for international cooperation strong, especially through the Belt and Road Initiative.
The Chinese authority will remain committed to the basic state policy opening up to the outside world, which is good, and continue to promote reform through opening up. This is indeed a welcome move by China, as it will enhance its capacity for opening up while expanding cooperation with other countries and develop new institutions for higher standard open economy. I think China has done the best to help those less developing countries to build their infrastructure, in terms of logistics, and also those who help to raise their income. Trading partners will also benefit together with China and to make sure a better world. Hopefully it's a better world, a fairer world, a green world.